National Education Policy 2020 की guideline Matung ina maheiroi singda takpi-tambigadouriba ojah shing Yamna Heithoi Singthoiba Mathou Tai haina Manipur University के Vice Chancellor Professor N Lokendra na phongdorakli wafam ase Manipur University के Adult Continuing Education and Extension na sinduna Department ase के maheiroi singna numit nifu mangani chathagadaba Field Outreach Activities Program MU के Traffic Island के lamthabaga mari leinana mahak na phongdokhibane Imphal West District Manung Chanba, Hyangthang, Tarahai Konjil, Hyangthang Kabui Khul Amadi, Kamakhya Pamton College ta Hangba Relief Camp ta Chatkadaba Khongchat Adugamari Lenina, Lokendra Nahai, Manipur University ke Adult Continuing Education Camp Extension na Siliba Program Asina maheiroi kayada kanaba pigani haibagi thajaba lei maheiroi ama oiringaidagi hauna isana khang hairiba pumnamak atopa miyoi singdasu khanghanaba hotnagadabane National Education Policy 2020 da yauriba guidelines singi matung ina takpi-tambigadouriba ojah shing Yamna Heithoi Singthoiba Mathou Tai masiga manana department asigi maheiroi singna field da chatuna takpi-tambigadouriba sida asengba fibam amadi chapchana khangba ngamlagani haina thajai Field Outreach Program asina mafam aduda leiriba sing kari khudong chadaba mayoknari karamba fibamda punsi hingli haibana chingba mayek sengba saktam kaya kupna khangba ngamgani Adult Education ki program asina maheiroi nataba atopa miyoi singdasu chawna kanaba pigani University asina Early Childhood Careers ki Education Program amasu chathaba hore Program asi yamna maru oiba anoba education policy ge makhada paikhatpani haina Vice Chancellor Lokendra na makhata phongdokhi lamthabagi thoram atuda Adult Continuing Education and Extension ge head Mathou Tai Department asige Assistant Professor CH Sonia TH Sarmila Guest Lecturer Paitri Vashram Amade School of Education ge Dean Maisnam Premlata Sosarukyakhi
NEP 2020, there's a lot of emphasis on the field experience of the teachers. They should go to the field, they should understand their real situations, how they are living, how they are getting educational facilities, which are being given by the government. Adult and continuing education has been continuously engaged in this kind of field experience, which is a very, very important focus area of the NEP 2020. Manipur University is going to start early childhood care education. We will be rolling out this program in Manipur University.